Hey guys, what's up? It's Gen5x here. I'm finally doing a decent Ridgid Gen5x reciprocating saw video. So, here we go. We're going to go over it here. It's the Ridgid Gen5x reciprocating saw. It's model number R8642N. This is for the bare tool. You can get it in the 5-piece combo kit, which is model R8652. It doesn't have a brushless motor. It's a permanent magnet motor, but it's a great motor. It's got awesome power and good run time. I've done a runtime test and got 91 cuts through a 2x4 on a 4-amp battery before it died. It's got an inch and an eighth stroke. It has 3,200 strokes a minute. It's got the selectable orbital feature for on and off. You can use the orbital for demolition. It's good for that. Obviously, you want it off for when you're cutting metal. Now, you've got the one-sided shoe here, which is something I really like because it increases visibility, and also you can let the shoe go free like this, or there's 3 locking points where you can lock it in and it will stay locked in that position. Now, you've also got a tool-free blade shoe adjustment, tool-free shoe adjustment here, and that'll help you extend the life of your blade, because then you can pop it out and run it in different places where your teeth are. So it's got, well, let's see here. First, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to run this with a fully charged 4-amp battery. So we'll pop that on real quick, and you can see it has got a very good variable speed trigger. It will run very good. You can see how slow I'm running there. So we're going to pop it out like that. Now I'm going to take the shoe out to show you here. It's got the tool-free blade change, like most of them. It's a twist. So you just twist it, pop your blade in, let it go. You're locked in. Pop your blade out. You're good to go. On the handle here, you have a lockout feature. So you can lock it so you can't pull the trigger for safety and for traveling. Also, it's got a sight line blower that blows, the debris away from where you're cutting. It's got the standard Ridgid stuff like the hex grip. I really like how they did a lot of overmolding right up here. It gives you such good grip. It's got the standard Ridgid press button right there. Sorry, the lighting's kind of poor here. And that will activate the light there. And obviously you saw already that the battery has the fuel gauge on it, which is, a standard Ridgid thing. Also, you've got the LSA. Register it in 90 days. You've got the lifetime service agreement. I'll tell you here, this sucker outran my 11-amp Makita corded Sawzall that was also an inch and an eighth stroke with 2,800 strokes a minute, and it outran that in regular mode, and once it went orbital mode, it just killed it. So I sold that saw to my friend's mom so she could give it to her husband as a gift. And that Makita was a great saw, but this sucker it took it down. So I just kept this. So now, here's what we're going to do this time. I've got the proper blade. Get my shoe in here. Now, here's what I'm going to run. I'm going to run a Diablo wood with nails in it. It's a brand new blade. It's a wood with nails blade. I'm going to pop that in here. Whoop. There we go. Now, let me get you set up for this here. I have got a board here with, well, I don't know where it's written. It's like 104 nails in it. So, something like that. So, I'm going to put you right here for now, and I might switch you to the other side. We'll see how it goes. And you can see how this thing will just tear through this. It will rip it up. This saw is amazing. I love it. So, let me raise you up a little. Okay. All right. Here we go. Whoa. Never had that one happen before. Get that sucker back in there. Make sure it's locked in tight. That's never happened to me before. So, get her going again here. Wow, that is really ticking me off. I have never had the blade pop out like that before on me. I might switch blades here. So let's try again here. To finish up, I think I'm going to put you on the other side here so you can see it from the other side. Obviously, I can't set you on the table. It'll rattle you right the freak off. So I'll get you as close as I can. Maybe I'll see if I can zoom it just a little bit. All right. Here we go. Now you can look at it from the other side here. Whoa! Okay, apparently that was, my little stool was touching the table. So you know what I mean? It rattled it right off. So, alright, here we go again. May not be perfect, but hey, we're rocking and rolling this time. I think this blade's defective because I have never had it do this to me before, and that is really pissing me off. It makes me look like a fucking fool. Well, that was pretty sweet, except for the fucking blade popping off like a piece of shit. I think that blade's defective. I've never had that problem before. So, Here we go. Show you along here. Zoom back out here. You can see all the nails along in there. And I mean, it just decimated them. Take you along the other end here. Alright. Well, I'll let you look at the beast for a minute. And I'm going to unclamp this. Now I don't have much room to play with. I didn't really think about it. But we're going to show you this tearing up in orbital mode. So, get it right there. Now, pop this baby into orbital mode. This damn blade is going to cooperate. I hope I wasn't in the way for too much of that. Let's go to the other side and we'll chop this other sucker up. We're going to put you on the receiving end here so that you can see how that goes. Alright, here we go. Orbital mode. Wanted to move my whole bit. Sure, you can see how it's just tearing that up. So you don't want to use orbital mode for anything but demo, but I hope you guys got a good view of that. Now, it vibrated off somewhere. Here we go. I have got a brand new Diablo metal cutting blade, and I've got this piece of metal here clamped to my table. So let's tear this sumbitch up, huh? And I guarantee it will rip this to shreds. So I hope you're ready to see that. Okay. Right, here we go. Take it off orbital mode. Lock it. Obviously, that wasn't super thick metal, but you get the gist of it. So, that was the Ridgid Gen5x Sawzall. I mean, this thing's a beast, I'll tell you. So, here, let's see something here now. Let's see how much battery we used. Might be a substantial amount. Huh! Only 1 bar on a 4 amp battery. We cut through a board with a 2x4 with 104 nails in it, and we decimated that piece of metal. So I told you that permanent magnet motor is something else. So anyways, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely much better than my last review of this. My last review was so half-assed. The fucking blade popping out pissed me off. That made me look like a fool. I've never had that shit happen before. So anyways, hey guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope that gave you a good idea of what this saw is capable of. It's a monster. I love it. It's done everything I've asked it to do, and like I said, it's got just insane performance. It's a beast, and as you can see, again, it gets great battery life. So, hey, anyways, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, okay? And if you're looking forward to more tool reviews, I've got a bunch coming. I'm going to be doing some hand tool reviews. Tonight, I'm installing a catback exhaust on my buddy's Camaro. We're going to do a video on that. So